Tension as Taliban and ISIS announce opening of joint terrorism center of excellence. Lashkar, Afghanistan. Representatives of the Taliban, Al-Qaeda and ISIS gathered together in the capital of the Helmand province of Afghanistan to celebrate breaking ground on the long-awaited Joint Terrorism Center of Excellence. The JTCE is intended to bring together the best minds of international terror organizations in an effort to streamline operations and standardize tactics. There is so much great work being done by our brothers and sisters around the globe, said Taliban leader Mullah Osmani Farouk. It was time to bring all this wonderful terror under one umbrella of excellence. We are all operating in a joint environment now, so it only made sense to share knowledge and resources. Farouk, an Afghan fighter since the 1980s, will serve as a commandant of the JTCE. Farouk gained notoriety among Taliban leaders several years ago when he published a widely read set of leadership tips for his subordinate commanders. Christened Farouk Rules, the ever-growing list provided Taliban leaders and fighters with command guidance. After written in a folksy and light-hearted tone, is a course of action is perhaps his most popular role. Other attendees included members of Al-Shabaab, Boko People and the Proud Boys, a contingent of pensioners from the Irish Republican Army had to conceal at the last minute due to an unexpected sunscreen shortage. This is going to be so amazing, said Khalid Muhammad of Boko People. We will finally get a chance to share our TTPS techniques, tactics and predation with our coalition partners and learn from what they are doing, both good and bad. Today is a great day for terror. Construction on the first wing of the JTCE was scheduled to begin this fall, but complications due to COVID-19 have pushed the planned start date back to early 2021. Satellite centers are anticipated in Mosul, Benghazi, and Portland. Other initiatives planned by the coalition include next year's rollout of the Center for Al-Qaeda Lessons Learned or core website. Thank you for listening to this news. We have to be careful. We have to be careful. We have to be careful. Can you imagine, my viewers? We really need to be careful. We have to be careful. You can see these people are now pulling resources, ideas, and strength together. You can see, hope you can see, these people are strategizing. They are pulling ideas together now. They have now agreed to come together in one entity and plan terrorism together. You imagine, when they were not together, see the number of states and community and the number of people that are being killed on daily basis. Not to talk of now that they are now that they have now come together. This is a call for war. This is the reason why we must not joke with our movements. Now the federal government need to re-strategize. As they have chosen to re-strategize, then we too have to re-strategize. This is not only Nigeria. This also calls for re-strategization of every country. But then, while other countries are doing this, Nigeria need to get themselves fit, because the attack are mostly coming to Nigeria. So we must not give them any breathing space. We must not give them any chance. You understand? So since they have said that we will not sleep, they too will not sleep. Let the Nigerian soldiers wake up. Buratai, the chief of army staff, they have decided to pull ideas together. Now, pull ideas together with your soldiers, with your members, with your forces. You people need to wake up and work. These people must be wiped out of this surface of this earth. They must not be given that chance to exist, to function. They must not. You understand? So this is an opportunity for us to wake up. The information has been released for you now to strike. That center which they have set up for themselves to be meeting must be set ablaze, must be put away. They must not meet. They must not be allowed to meet. That is the system. Because if you allow them, it means that you are giving them the chance to attack. You are giving them the chance to attack. So they must not go on with that meeting in that terrorism center. They must not even use it a night. They must not even meet, share any stupid idea. Don't even allow them to meet and share any stupid idea or resources together. Because these people can be very, very dangerous when it comes to allowing them to meet together. If you dare allow them to meet and share that stupid idea together, you will regret it. You will seriously regret it. So that opportunity should not be given to them. They should not be allowed. Because these people are evil and dangerous. You get it? So as they have chosen to re-strategize, then you too should re-strategize. You get it? So my viewers, your comments concerning this are very, very important. Do well to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.